Pick one chocolate chip cookies or sugar cookies. Pick one chocolate cake or lemon cake. Number 3, hot chocolate brownies or Oreo cookies for you. Takis or Pringles. Number 5, cinnamon roll or glazed donuts. Pick one. Airheads or Mike and Ike's candy. Chicken tenders or hot wings. Number 8, pepperoni pizza or cheese pizza. Hot dog or hamburger. Pick one. Salted pretzel or cinnamon sugar pretzel. Oh yeah, honey bun or funnel cake from the Fair Festival, yummy. Number 12, pancakes or waffles. I love them both, but you choose. Pick one before time runs out. Pancakes and strawberries, oh yeah. Chick-fil-A has the best waffle fries around. Do you pick waffle fries or mashed potatoes? Time for veggies, pick one. Number 15, pick one. Veggie salad or fruit salad. Number 16. Number 17, pick one. Ice cream or frozen yogurt. Ice cream, who wants ice cream? Number 18, strawberry or chocolate, for you. Number 19. Tacos or quesadillas? Now chicken tacos or beef tacos? Pick one. Number 23, almost halfway done. Fruits Loops or honeycombs? Salt and vinegar chips or barbecue chips? Lemon heads or Twizzlers? Kit Kat or Snickers? Skittles or Starburst? Pick one, kick one. Number 28. Number 29. Number 30. Gummy worms or gummy bears? Popcorn or peanuts? Maple syrup or honey? Number 34, pick one, kick one, bacon or strawberries? Lemon pepper wings or have a chicken sandwich? Rice or ramen noodles? Chicken spaghetti is so good. If you haven't tried it, you have to. Apple pie or peach cobbler? Pick one, kick one. Blueberry muffins or pound cake? Number 40, beef flautas or grilled street corn? Nine more to go. Pick one, kick one. Fried fish or mac and cheese? Pick one. Fried shrimp or lobster and spinach dip? Pick one, kick one. Goodness, this looks so good.
Yes!
Sweet potatoes or baked carrots? Number 45, dragon fruit or mango? Acai bowl or Talenti gelato, caramel cookie crunch? Oh my goodness, I think I'm getting a sweet tooth now. Push-up pops or Snickers ice cream? Okay, this is a hard one. What about you? Number 48. Cotton candy or dill pickles? Pick one, kick one. Baked chicken or turkey wings?
Welcome to the channel Ram Saran Kamat. We love you. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe, why not?